Welcome to our Spring 2020 graduation reception. I don't know about you, but I assure you that I did not anticipate the kind of change we're in the midst of when I was announced as the new MELSA Dean of Engineering a year ago. It's been an interesting year one without a doubt. But without challenges, what would engineers do? The current situation aside, just think of all the amazing achievements that have been made by Cyclone engineers. To name a few: a Fulbright Scholar, a Truman Scholar, top-ranked programs. We were named a top institution for diversifying engineering education. Student athletes winning conference awards and trending nationally on social media. And from a personal perspective, the pride that I have as an ISU alum being able to return as the Dean of our great College of Engineering. Cyclone engineers are indeed on a roll. Employers, clients, colleagues that you will come across will immediately recognize the value of your degree from Iowa State. The reputation of Cyclone engineers has been solidified over the years and continues to be strengthened by you and those who will follow. My Iowa State degree has served me well. Your degree is a sign of hard work, hands-on experience, and a toolbox loaded with the most important skills required to be successful in our industry. So as you head out on this next chapter of your adventure, we urge you to maintain that connection. Keep in touch, and not just at homecoming. We love to tell others of the successes of our Cyclone engineers on a regular basis. Tag us in your social media. Reach out to your advisors, your professors. You'll always be a part of Cyclone Nation. Congratulations on your accomplishments. Obtaining an engineering degree is not an easy task. We wish we could be there to shake your hand and pat you on the back, but hopefully you'll find this format a nice and relaxing way to chat with colleagues as we watch together. Go Cyclones.
Congratulations, everyone. You have made it to your graduation day. I am Caroline Hayes, Lynn Gleason Chair of Interdisciplinary Engineering and the Chair of the Mechanical Engineering Department. This is by far the most unusual graduation ceremony ever held at Iowa State University. But we live in unusual times. This has also been the most unusual semester in the living memory of our oldest faculty and alumni. The last time we experienced anything even remotely similar was 102 years ago when the 1918 flu pandemic raged across the world, including Iowa State. I want to congratulate you not only on graduating, but on the remarkable resilience and perseverance you have shown in completing your studies. I know it has not been easy for you. All your plans for how you would spend the few precious remaining weeks of your college career suddenly had to change. Those of you studying abroad had to cut your trip short. The time you planned to spend with your friends, celebrations you planned to attend, and the goodbyes you planned to stay in person with a hug, all had to change. Suddenly, classes were online. You were home all the time in your apartment or with your families, sometimes lots of family. Many of you did not have a quiet place to study. Some of you had to care for sick family members. Some experienced the death of family or friends and are still grieving. I would like to take a moment of silence to remember the family and friends of our students, faculty, and staff whom have recently passed away. However, there is a silver lining to all clouds. The whole community has pulled together. Iowa State Mechanical Engineering faculty, staff, and students worked together to create and distribute over 7,000 face shields to hospitals and clinics across the region. I would like to recognize Sarah Leahy, who helped in making the face shields and getting the remote-controlled lab running. Thank you, Sarah. I would also like to recognize Juan Bibliona Rivera for another accomplishment. He has just been named a Truman Scholar, the premier graduate fellowship in the U.S. for those pursuing a public service career. Congratulations, Juan. These difficult times will pass. Soon, there will be places to go outside your house. Companies will reopen their doors for face-to-face job interviews. And I hope you will remember the good times that you had at Iowa State, the freshman learning community competitions, the friends you met, the late nights spent together finishing assignments. You have grown from a raw freshman to a highly skilled and valuable mechanical engineer. Finally, I hope you will come back to Iowa State to tell future generations of students about what it was like during this very unusual time of troubles and triumph. Your triumph. Thank you. Now it's time to celebrate.
Hello, graduates. I'm thrilled to be here today, looking into the camera lens of my phone to tell you congratulations on a huge accomplishment. This is a big deal. Now, nothing about this is normal, of course, and this wasn't a normal semester, which makes it even more special. You overcame a tremendous amount, not only during your entire time at Iowa State, but especially this semester. So again, this is a very big deal. And so as you reflect on all that you've accomplished and being able to finish your degree, be sure at some point to thank your parents, your family, your friends, your support network. Basically anybody who helped you in some way, shape, or form to get through your journey here at Iowa State. I personally want to thank the ME advising staff and the undergraduate support staff for all they do to keep the program running. They work hard day in and day out to serve both students and faculty. Before I sign off, I just want to say one more thing. As a graduate of this program myself, I want to tell all of you, welcome to the club, mechanical engineers. Congratulations. Good luck.
Hi, my name is Joshua Beck. I'm originally from Cedar Rapids, Iowa. I am completing my degree in mechanical engineering and computer science. After I graduate, I will be doing software development in Raleigh, North Carolina. I want to send out a big thank you to my friends and family that have supported me throughout my 4 years in college, but especially I want to thank my lovely wife, who I met here at Iowa State. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Marcelo Bello. I'm from São José dos Campos, city of São Paulo, Brazil. I'm graduating as a mechanical engineer with economics minor, and my plan for the future is to become a power plant designer, work with any energy area, or maybe become a grad student. As a very good memory that I have here in Iowa State University was the Brazilian Carnival, organized by the Brazilian student organization known as Bossa. And I would like to thank very much everybody who helped me to be here, all my friends, my family, but mainly my mother, who gave me everything that I have, and including this amazing experience to study here in Iowa State University. Thank you very much. Bye.
How's it going, everybody? My name is Jake Byrne. I'm from Davenport, Iowa, graduating with a degree in mechanical engineering. And if I had to choose one memory from my time at Iowa State, it'd be difficult, but I'm going to pick one of the projects that I worked on with the Biomedical Engineering Society. We got to 3D print a prosthetic arm for a child in need and go and give it to her personally, and that was a great learning experience. I really enjoyed that, and I felt a lot of pride and success with that, so I'm going to move forward into the biomedical engineering field and product development after graduation. It's just been something that impacted my life a lot, and I look forward to it. Also, the Salt Company, I met some of my best friends there, and I'm super grateful for them being here too. So thank you, Iowa State, for a great 4 years. I'm really excited to see what happens after I graduate.
I'm Débora Colli Donato. I'm from Passo Fundo, South Brazil. My post-graduation plan is to go back to Brazil and start my professional life. It's kind of hard to pick my favorite memory from my ISU. But among all the events, going from classes to tailgating, clubs, all of that, by the end of the day for me, what will remain are the memories from all the friends that I have made from all around the world, and knowing that no matter where we are in the future, we're still going to be part of the Cyclone family. So forever true for Iowa State.
Hi, my name is Sarah Eastland, and I'm from St. Paul, Minnesota. My favorite part of Iowa State would actually be staying late nights on campus, studying with friends, and nonchalantly wearing a dinosaur suit around campus. I'd really like to thank my family and friends for supporting me through college, and then I would also really like to say thank you to the professors, faculty, and staff at Iowa State, and a little shout out to the Boyd Lab. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Katie Gilbertson. I am a senior in mechanical engineering at Iowa State University. I am from Shreveville, Iowa, near Cedar Rapids area. Next year I plan to go to the H&I Corporation, which is in Muscatine, Iowa. I will be part of the product development rotational program, where we get 6 rotations in different areas of the company. I had an internship there and absolutely loved it, and I'm really excited to get back there. My favorite part about Iowa State is definitely their marching band. I'm a little biased. I was a part of it for 5 years. I played the clarinet and was a part of their leadership as well. Some of my best friends came from that group, and a lot of them are engineers as well, which is awesome. So, go Cyclones.
Hi, my name is Jack Hadding, and I'm a senior graduating in May with my bachelor's in mechanical engineering and a minor in general business, and I'm from Sioux City, Iowa. After graduation this May, I plan to move to Portland, Oregon to work as a project engineer and estimator for Anning Johnson, a specialty construction contractor. Overall, my favorite memory at Iowa State was living with some of my best friends all 4 years. I'm excited to keep in touch with them and see what they do with their futures.
Hi everyone, my name is Daniel Haugen and I'm from St. Charles, Illinois. I will be graduating at Iowa State here with my major in mechanical engineering, and after graduation I will start full-time working for Collins Aerospace in Burnsville, Minnesota as a manufacturing engineer. So I'm really excited about that. And some of the people I'd like to thank for getting me through the 4 years here at Iowa State. I'd like to thank all my family, my grandparents, my cousins, my mom, dad, and sister. I'd also like to thank all my friends who were there with me, helping me through the tough times of school and whatever else I was going through these last 4 years. They really made it a memorable experience. I have to say one of my favorite memories was probably getting to tailgate and going to the Iowa State football games because my family would come up for that, and my sister was on the dance team, so we all got to share some great memories tailgating together and going to watch the Cyclones win. So thank you very much.
Hi, good to see you there. My name is Nathan Hurst. My friends call me Chief. I am graduating Iowa State University with a degree in mechanical engineering. I'm from Lavilla, Iowa, and I'm getting hired on at Musco Lighting in the R&D department. And my favorite memory is fishing for water bodies and Ames.
My name is Chris Holloway. I'm from St. Charles, Illinois. Upon graduation, I'll be working at Husco International in their engineering leadership rotation. And my favorite memory from Iowa State is working on the Cyclone Racing Formula SAE car.
Hello, my name is Grady Holmes. I'm graduating with a degree in mechanical engineering. I'm from Hudson, Wisconsin. My family is an Iowa State family. I have uncles, aunts, great uncles, and cousins who are all Iowa State alumni. And my parents and sister all graduated from or are currently attending Iowa State. I have a lot of favorite memories from my time at Iowa State. They all revolve around lifelong friends I've made, friends who now feel more like family. I'd like to thank my professors for all that I've learned at Iowa State. I'd especially like to thank my parents, family, and friends who helped make graduating a reality. After graduation, I will be starting a job at GoMaco as a research and development engineer.
Hello, my name is Alexander Yan, and I am from Gurnee, Illinois. I'm graduating in mechanical engineering. Hopefully, post-graduation, I will be able to move back to Illinois and get a job in the biomedical engineering profession, as that is big business right now, especially with ventilators and whatnot going on in the COVID-19 crisis. But hopefully, later down the road, 2-3 years, I'll also get into sales within that profession, see where that takes me. But my favorite memory here at Iowa State has to be living in the dorms. I met all of my best friends through that experience, and I really enjoyed being together with other freshmen at the time and being connected with them and making lasting friendships.
Paul Karanja, originally from Kenya. Now I'm living in Des Moines, Iowa. I'm so grateful for completing my engineering degree at Iowa State University. My memory in Iowa State University include meeting with other students in clubs and even academic projects, engineering projects. That was great experience for me. I am very grateful for Trio ISSP for mentoring me and also giving me the opportunity to have tutor and even to study in their rooms. I'm also grateful to Dr. Martin Thuo in material science and engineering. He gave me the first opportunity to do research in Iowa State University. I'm also very grateful to Dr. Giles in ACPE. He gave me also the opportunity to do research in his lab. Thank you.
Hi there, my name is Cole Jensen. I'm from Prior Lake, Minnesota, and after graduation, I'm going to be working at Rolls-Royce as a manufacturing engineer.
Hi, I'm Anushar Jignasu, and I'm from Vadodara, a city in western India. I'll be continuing my search for employment after graduation. I'm grateful for all my professors, especially Dr. Heindel, Dr. Bhaskar, and Dr. Shankar for exposing me to radical concepts and ideas in mechanical engineering. I would like to thank my research advisor, Dr. Adarsh Krishnamurthy, for giving me a once-in-a-lifetime chance of working as an undergraduate researcher in his lab. I would also like to thank my advisor, Eliza, all the Boyd Lab and Manufacturing Lab members in making my journey truly one of a kind. I would like to thank my family, and I'm grateful for all my new friends who continue to push me to do better every day. ISU will continue to hold a special place in my heart. I've truly enjoyed my time here and have gained some highly valuable skills necessary to make a positive impact using engineering. To all the students still in college, I would urge you to take risks and learn the fundamentals. Thank you, SC, for an exceptional time.
My name is Connor Kennedy. I am from Normal, Illinois. After graduation, I plan to go on staff with the Navigators in Christian Collegiate Ministry. Some of my favorite memories at Iowa State are storming the football field after some big wins at the game.
Hi, my name is Edie Coker-Cowan. I'm from Lisle, Illinois. My post-graduation plans are currently unknown, and my favorite part about Iowa State University is all the friends that I made along the way.
Hi, my name is Sarah Leahy. I'm from Galesburg, Illinois, a spring 2020 graduate. I'd like to thank Prism Solar Car, the ME Department, Altech Industries, and GenFos Power Solutions for giving me the opportunities and experiences needed to obtain a full-time job. I will be working at Hormel Foods starting this summer as an associate maintenance engineer.
Hello everybody, my name is Kenny Liu and my hometown is Shanghai, China. For my post-graduation plan is that I maybe enter the co-op work during the summer holiday, and then I will take my master degree study at the college. And for me, favorite memory during the Iowa State is at the capstone period. I meet many classmates from all over the world, and they gave me a lot of help and also brought a lot of fun to me. For me, this is my best memory at the Iowa State.
My name is Agostino Lovello, and I am from Downers Grove, Illinois. My favorite memories from Iowa State are the ones that I have from being on the Solar Car team. Starting as a freshman with dreams to build the world's first solar utility vehicle, and then spending many long hours in Hoover Lab to get that dream accomplished. In the end, it was all worth it once we were finally able to drive the car and then share it with the world through outreach. Along the way, I made so many great connections, and I learned so much. It truly was a once-in-a-lifetime experience, and I will remember it for the rest of my life.
Hi, I'm Jacob Maruth. I'm from Ankeny, and my favorite ISU memory was watching the halftime show where the band played the Jurassic Park theme and all the dinosaurs ran on the field.
Hello, my name is Justin Massner, and I'm from Mediapolis, Iowa. I'm graduating with a major in mechanical engineering as well as a minor in leadership studies. And my plans after graduation are to work as a product design engineer at the Raymond Corporation in Muscatine, Iowa, where I interned this past summer. And I'd also like to give several thank yous to those who have helped me get to where I am today. So first I want to thank my professors who have put all their time and effort into teaching me and helping me to learn while here at Iowa State. And then I'd like to also thank my friends and family, and especially my parents, who have helped me and supported me as I've grown up and as I've gone to college. And I really learned a lot from them, and I really appreciate all their time. And lastly, I want to thank God, who's been with me every step of the way and has made me, and really I wouldn't be at all where I am without him. So just thank you to all those who have helped me, and I really wanted to say thank you and hope for the best in the future.
Hi, I'm Param. I'm from Plymouth, Minnesota, and after college, I'm going to be working with SIGUP full-time as a mechanical engineer. I'd like to thank all of my professors, friends, and family for getting me through college. Thank you.
My name is Haley Nedved. I'm from a town called Batavia, Illinois, which is about an hour outside of Chicago. After graduation, I'll be working full-time with John Deere in their engineering rotation program in Waterloo, Iowa, where they do work with tractors and engines. My favorite memory has probably been being a peer mentor for the last 3 years. I've gotten to walk through 3 years worth of first-year students and just help them get settled in their first semester, and that's truly been such an enlightening experience and one of the favorite experiences I've had in college. I just want to thank all the faculty and staff in the mechanical engineering department for helping me get to where I have been today. I've just been very fortunate to have such a great experience with the staff and everybody involved, and I just want to say thank you for everything that you've done for me and for my fellow graduates.
My name is Amanda Pryor. I'm graduating May of 2020 from Iowa State as a mechanical engineer. I'm from DeSoto, Kansas, and after graduation, I'll be staying in the Kansas City area to pursue a career with Burns & McDonnell in our transmission and distribution group. I've really loved my time at Iowa State, especially as part of our marching band and as a part of our engineering ambassador and mentor program. I'd like to say a huge thank you to my advisors, Eliza McKenzie and Fred Lloyd, and to all the great professors I've had at Iowa State, especially Dr. Mathisen, Dr. Heindel, and Scott Merkel. Thank you all so much. Go Clones!
Hello everyone, I wish you guys are doing well and healthy right now. My name is Muhammad Hazi Putra bin Shafi. I'm from Malaysia, the class of 2020, majoring in mechanical engineering. So since everything went virtual, including the ceremony, so this is a video tribute for the graduation. I would like to take this chance to thank everyone, each and every one of you, for making these 2 years in United States so much more bearable and so much easier. You guys have been so much of a help to me, and I would like to also apologize to everyone as I didn't get the chance to meet for the one last time to bid goodbyes and everything. So my future plan is to look for jobs back here in Malaysia, as I think it's really hard for me to go back and forth with all this going on. So that's about it. Please stay safe and please stay home, and hopefully we'll cross path in the future. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Starr. I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska, and I will be graduating with my Bachelor's of Science in Mechanical Engineering. Post-graduation, I will begin work for the Walsh Group in their National Healthcare Division as a project engineer, with my first project taking me to Columbus, Ohio to work on the Ohio State Wexner Medical Center. My 4 years at Iowa State came and went quickly, but I will always cherish the 4 years I got with my teammates and coaches and the opportunity to compete for the women's swimming and diving team. Ames will always be my home away from home, and I'm forever grateful for the memories and friendships I've made. Once a Cyclone, always a Cyclone. Go State!
Hello everyone, my name is Wang Kexing. A lot of people call me Kate. I come from China, and it's always such an amazing experience here to study abroad at Iowa State. And I really appreciate all the professors and my advisor who had helped me out throughout these 4 years. It's definitely a really enjoyable experience for me, and I learned a lot here. And also looking forward to my next journey at Iowa State for my master's degree.
Congratulations, class of 2020. You should be so proud. Thank you for all these years, for being patient with me, with my age and my bad English, and you are so kind. Thank you to all my SA students. Thank you and congratulations.
Hi, I'd like to congratulate each and every one of you for earning a degree in mechanical engineering at Iowa State University. The mechanical engineering program is a ranked program, and you are at a Tier 1 research institution, and it's a lot to be congratulated for. I'd like to take just a minute and remind you all of how far you've come. As an advisor, we get to see you come to orientation or transfer orientation. We get to see all your hopes and dreams and sometimes your fears. We get to see what that's like after you get that first test and you get that first tough grade. And we get to see you dig in and accomplish more. We get to see you try to figure out what club you want to be a part of, what it's like coming back from your first career fair and wondering if anyone's ever going to ask you to be an intern, and then what it's like when you have to figure out which internship opportunity you want to take. We've watched you take tough classes, we've watched you take easy classes, And we've watched you make great lifelong friends. And every step along the way, we've watched what you've done is you've done what you needed to do to earn your degree. And I would like you to know that I am so very proud of each and every one of you today. Now, the advisors here would like to all give you one last piece of advising advice as you move on. Eliza?
Hey, y'all. I just wanted to say congratulations on your graduation. That's really exciting. And just always keep looking ahead. Things change a lot, as you can tell from the times we're in now. And there's always something to keep moving with. So stay grounded, stay present, but never forget that you've got more options moving forward. Alyssa?
Hey everyone, I just want you to know that I am so proud of you, and I hope you're proud of yourselves as well for making it to your graduation. And I just want to encourage you that as you go out into the world, you just have courage to take initiative, to look around you and see what you can do to make the world around you a better place.
Congratulations to you all, and always remember that even though you've completed your degree, the process of learning never stops, and there's always new things to gather and learn every day.
Congratulations, everyone. I'm so sad that we're not able to see you and congratulate you in person. One thing that I wish I knew at graduation was the salary isn't always the best thing when making a decision on a career. Take time to evaluate the whole package, the health benefits, the work demand. Is there time off? Are you working 40, 60, 80 hours a week and only getting paid for 40? Take time to evaluate it all because the money isn't always worth it.
Congratulations, everyone. This is a great achievement for you all. One piece of advice that I would share is, you've built lots of connections here. Stay connected. Put forth the effort to stay connected with your friends because it gets a lot harder to stay connected after graduation.
Congratulations, everyone. I'm going to echo Nathan a little bit, but I would encourage you to be planful about not just what your first job is, but what does adulting look like in general? So how are you going to maintain those friendships? How are you going to be healthy? What extra hobbies or activities do you want to do with your potentially free time from not having homework and assignments? So just think big picture and remember that you're a human being as well as a proud graduate with an ME degree. And now, from all of us,
Congratulations.
Class of 2020.